In this video, we'll talk about the difference between OLED screens and LCD screens, and how to tell if this brand screen is genuine when you buy it. For beginners, they've never dealt with this before, so it is necessary to go over the basics, so everyone has a basic understanding. The screen tested in the video is a GX screen. Friends who do repairs should all know GX. GX mainly makes OLED screens. GX only has two models that are not OLED screens, the XR and the 11, because their original screens are also LCD screens. So for the XR and 11, whether they are original or aftermarket, they only have LCD screens. There is no such thing as an OLED screen. To test the screen, you need to check 3 pages: a white screen, a black screen, and a gray screen. On the white screen, check for dead pixels and dark spots. On the black screen, check for bright spots. The gray screen is for checking for pressure marks. If the screen has no dark spots, dead pixels, or pressure marks, it is considered a grade. If there are dead pixels, dark spots, pressure marks, or if the cover glass has scratches or defects, or if the frame is unglued, the screen is not a grade. In the video now, we're looking at a comparison between a Heihu XS Max and a Ruiju XS Max. This one is the Ruiju XS Max, and this one here is the Heihu XS Max. The Heihu is an OLED screen. The Ruiju only has an LCD screen. On the back of the Heihu screen, there is a QR code in the top left corner. On the left is the Heihu OLED screen, and on the right is the Ruiju LCD screen. Comparing the white screen on the settings page, we can see that the one on the left has a cool light. The one on the right has a warmer, yellowish display, which is why OLED screens are also called cool light screens. Now we turn the brightness of both screens to the minimum, and we can see that the OLED screen on the left flickers, the LCD screen on the right doesn't flicker. Let's look at a comparison of the white, gray, and black screens on these two. When we compare them, we find that the OLED screen is slightly reddish. The LCD screen's color is a bit warmer. When both enter the black screen, we see that the OLED screen on the left is in a state of complete rest. The black screen is pure black. The LCD screen on the right is slightly gray, with the backlight in a working state. So LCD screens are also called backlit screens. So from this we can see that OLED screens work by alternating between on and off, which is what we call screen flicker. LCD screens achieve a lit state through the continuous emission of light from the backlight. So OLED screens are relatively more power efficient. LCD screens, on the other hand, consume more power. This is also why many people find that after switching to an LCD screen, their phone's battery doesn't last as long as it used to. So if your phone's battery health drops to around 80% and you plan to replace the screen with an LCD, then I suggest you replace your phone's battery with a high capacity one plus an LCD screen. This way, on one hand, the LCD screen is easier on the eyes. On the other hand, you won't have to worry about the phone's battery life. TikTok.